can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video from Tech World Vlogs and Tesla. I have some exciting product review for y'all. This is a company that's stand by me for a very long time, Wyze. And Wyze have sent me two fantastic new products that was released last year, but due to chip shortages, these products were delayed in getting delivered to customers. So I finally got my product here. This is the Wyze night light. This is a smart night light, and there's so many out there available in the market, but this is a 3-pack and it integrates with Wyze entire product line of smart home. These are motion sensor light, up to 2,500 K in warm light. They are sensitive lights, so basically you can place them in dark areas in your home. You don't require a power outlet to power these lights. Basically it's just a stick-on light, and I really like the design where you get light on top and bottom, so you can see lower on top of wherever you put it. These are really great for electrical or energy saving. So if you're in your your bigger house or garage or whatever the case may be, you can put these here, so you always have consistent light when it's dark. So really cool. The other new product that was released that I finally got my hands on is the Wyze lamp socket. So basically this just goes into a existing socket, and it gives you the ability to turn that socket you have into a smart socket where you have motion activation, sunlight dimming, you have timers that you can set up on that socket, and then you can link it with Wyze, other products that Wyze have. So this is just making a existing socket, so you don't have to go spend hundreds of dollars to change any electrical. You just basically screws this on into that socket, and you have smart control of that socket, so you don't even need to change your light bulb, which is pretty cool. So these two new products from Wyze, let's go ahead and hook these up with the Wyze app, see how it works, and let me give this product a review. As usual, let's unbox this here. It's sealed, it hasn't been opened. I like that this is in a small package. It's pretty cool, but I really wish it was easier to open. So it does have these oval stickers on it to peel it off. So let me get my nails in there, and hopefully this can easily remove. All right, so finally got it off, and inside the box, make sure, there we go, that's it, nothing else. These three little light bulbs, I guess. This is what it is. It looks like basically looks like a wallet, and basically they're very small and slim. They're white in color. I think you can also get the black if that goes well with your decor. And let's open them. So basically peel this off, and that's it. That's the light right there. Does have a USB-C, so it does require to be charged, and then it has the auto on. There we go, it's already charged. That's really cool that it sent me these with already charged. So there it is, guys. Very simple product. Once I pair this with a phone, it will be smart sensor, and I believe this is also has magnets, so you can stick on magnet on this here, so you can put it wherever you want. Really cool device. There's 3 of them inside the pack. I believe it goes for about $30 US or less. You can always find them on sale, but this is the Wyze smart night light. Really cool, really fantastic. Love to put this all around your house and get light everywhere. And this is pretty bright. I like the auto settings, so you're not killing your battery. So you can turn this on auto. It's still on, but basically when it detects there's no background light, the sensor right here will kick in, so it's saving the battery. All right, so let's see what else we have. So there's 3 of these in a pack, as I said before. The next product here is a smart socket, and this is a really cool idea of actually never seen anything like this on the market before. The fact that you can turn an existing light socket into a smart light socket without requiring an electrician is pretty fantastic. Now, I'm not sure if these are rated for outdoors. That'll be interesting to check into. But you do get a sticker when you buy this here. This is a pre-release. I purchased this earlier when it was announced, so I got my sticker saying that I backed it early. Really cool. Quick starter guide. And then what else do we have? This is the light socket. So this is what it looks like. This is where the light bulb will go. If you have your existing light bulb, you can use that. This goes into the actual existing light bulb. So you will put that in, and then you will put your light bulb in here. It also has a USB port, which is very interesting. It has the USB port because you can hook up a camera to this here. So Wyze have all the V3 camera. They have all the pan cameras and the V1 black cameras. You can actually hook your camera directly into the light bulb to provide power. So this is gonna take power from your light socket and power your the Wyze camera, which is pretty cool. This is actually a 2-in-1 product. So it pairs well with the Wyze ecosystem. So this is fantastic that they thought about this idea. So just a simple concept, a light socket, taking a standard light socket and providing power, utilizing the power from that light socket for a smart bulb, as well as hooking up a camera. This is great for outdoors. I'm pretty sure if you have an outdoor, you can just put this into an outdoor socket. Make sure there's an actual like a vase or a screen for that outdoors, you protect it, and then you can connect your camera and get your camera powered by the socket, which is tremendous. I'm really excited about this here. There's some other stuff inside the box, and these are stuff you might need from like anchors and cables. So it does provide here with a micro USB cable, which is quite interesting. And this is cool. I want to show you guys what this cable looks. This is actually a cable here that has an angle to it. So it has like the angle in it there, so it fits flushly with the actual grooves in this light socket. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. So this is where the USB-C is required, actually USB-A, and then this is the cable that goes inside. So it fits seamlessly once you plug in the USB cable, which is a very nice way of just making everything seamless from Wyze. So once this is in, you can't tell really. It makes it like seal proof. There is no like hole or anything hanging out. So this cable you just plug into your Wyze camera or any USB, micro USB camera, which is really nice. It's just a simple concept. Wyze does also include hooks and straps and screws for cable management. So that's all included in the box, which is nice. You don't have to go out and get these here. These are all provided. So yeah, that's it guys. I wish I had my lamp with me here, but all my light bulbs are already smart. But for me, this would be nice for like if you have an outdoor garage or you have a shed. This is a nice way to plug a camera into a socket in that shed. Yeah, really genius product here. I also noticed that there's some mounting here that I'm going to utilize. So Wyze send these magnetic mounts for the cameras. So also got one of these stickers here. So this actually goes on the actual, not even the cameras, on these little night light here. It's actually magnetic on it, so the magnet sticks on it, and this allows you the flexibility to use this magnet tape and move it in whatever desired location you want it to go. So that way you don't have a screw on the wall or anything like that, which is really nice. Yeah, really excited. So check this out guys. This is from Wyze. This is the Wyze night light, and this is the Wyze socket. Two fantastic, genius product from Wyze. Like I said, I hope you guys subscribe, share this product. Inexpensive solution for big problems, and that's what we come to love Wyze about. And also, please make sure you leave a comment, hit the like button, and turn on the bell notification, and let me know in the comment if you will be buying these device. Let me know, and if you did, also let me know that you bought the device. So looking forward to seeing your comment, and looking forward to your subscribers. Thank you so much for everyone that's already subscribing to this channel, and I hope to see y'all on the next